Hey guys, it's Rachel, and today I will be showing you how I make my chai tea shortbread. So for this video, I'm partnering with VAHDAM Teas, an authentic Indian tea brand that delivers garden fresh teas to consumers globally. And unlike everyday tea brands, VAHDAM Tea does not travel in containers for months before being packaged and sold. They deliver incredibly fresh products to consumers directly. So that's what I'm working with today for my awesome chai tea shortbread. So in order to make these cookies, we are going to go ahead and use the sweet cinnamon spiced masala chai from VAHDAM Teas. This one has a really nice floral scent, and I just ground up 1 tablespoon. So I took the loose leaf tea, ground it up into kind of a powder so I could use it for this shortbread. In a food processor, we are going to go ahead and blend together our flour, salt, and ground chai tea. Once that's mixed together, we're going to go ahead and add a few more ingredients, including our powdered sugar, our vanilla extract, a little bit of water, and our butter. And then we're just going to go ahead and blend those ingredients together until a dough just starts to form. At that point, you can load the dough onto a piece of saran wrap and then just kind of mold it into a log shape. And we'll go ahead and refrigerate the dough for about 30 minutes before we cut into it. Refrigerating the dough is really key, especially when it comes to shortbread, just to give it enough time to set before you start throwing it in the oven. Otherwise, it'll just melt apart because there's so much butter. After about 30 minutes, go ahead and take your log out and then slice about a 1/4 inch thick medallions for your cookies. The cookies will have this kind of grayish color, especially from the tea, but don't be discouraged by the color. It still tastes really good, and I think the little freckles of the tea adds a lot of character to the cookies. So go ahead and bake them off at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 12 to 14 minutes. Then you are ready to enjoy your chai tea shortbread cookies. These are delicious, super buttery and soft, and they have a great masala chai flavor. And if you guys want to order some of your own VAHDAM teas, make sure to use the code Rachel20 for 20% off. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.